In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up a USB mic in OBS Studio. By the end, you'll have clear, reliable microphone audio ready for streaming, recording, or calls with just a few simple tweaks. First, make sure your USB microphone is plugged into your computer before you open OBS Studio. This lets OBS detect the device right away. Use a direct USB port on your computer if possible, rather than an unpowered hub, and seat the cable firmly at both ends. Your operating system should recognize the mic within a few seconds. If OBS was already open when you plugged it in, go ahead and close and reopen OBS so it can refresh the device list. Once OBS is open and you're in the scene you plan to use, look at the Sources dock. Click the plus icon to add a new source and choose Audio Input Capture. This is the source type that brings microphone audio into your scene, separate from desktop audio, which keeps your voice easy to control in the mix. When prompted, select Create New, give the source a clear name you'll recognize later, something like USB mic, and click OK. Naming is helpful if you have multiple scenes or several microphones because it keeps everything organized and prevents you from wondering which source is which. Next, a Properties window will appear. Open the Device dropdown and select your specific USB microphone by name. Avoid choosing Default if you can, because default can change when your system switches inputs. Selecting the exact device ensures OBS always pulls the audio from the correct mic. Once you've chosen it, click OK to lock in your selection. Now, check the audio mixer panel in OBS. Speak at a normal volume and watch the green level meter for your new microphone source. If you see it moving, you're capturing sound. Use the volume slider to set a healthy level. Ideally, your average speech should land around the mid to high green range, nudging into yellow on louder words and avoiding the red. If you don't see movement, confirm the source isn't muted, return to Properties to verify the correct device is chosen, and check that any mute switch on the microphone itself is off. That's it, your USB mic is set up in OBS. Remember, if you ever plug the mic into a different USB port, you may need to reselect it in the source properties. With this done, your voice is ready to sound clean and consistent in every recording and stream.